and I'm a travel photographer, /mom/wife/daughter/cat lover, and I'm constantly traveling for work. Like I'm in Hong Kong right now, and it's awesome, but I'm away from home a lot, and that's not great. I found a way to be at home even when I'm not home. I discovered Ebo by Enabot. Ebo is a moving, smart family bot with a built-in camera that allows you to play with your pets, interact with your family, and give you access to your home anytime, anywhere in the world.
Say cheese.
Ebo truly revolutionized the way my family and I communicate and interact with each other, especially when I'm away from home. As a loyal customer and a huge fan of the Ebo, I'm really honored and extremely excited to have the chance to experience firsthand the brand new Ebo, the EBO SE. So let's get started, unbox it, and see how it works. Love the packaging, so sleek, so minimalist, as can be expected from the Enabot team. Feels pretty light. Let's unbox it and have a look. Oh, nice. Everything tightly packaged. Okay, let's have a look. Foam protection all around. The pin needle. Power adapter. Charging station. And finally, the Ebo itself. It's so cute and so light. Hi, Ebo. It's really compact, about the size of a tennis ball, maybe a tad bigger. Super sleek, looks like a lot of hard work went into the industrial design. It looks expensive, but it's not at all. The team at Enabot is able to offer this advanced technology for only $99. So plug the charging dock into the power outlet and place the Ebo on the base.
Ebo!
Okay, so the next thing is to install the Ebo app. You can just scan this QR code here on the side of the box and then just follow the instructions. It works for both iOS and Android. Once you create your account, you'll get this other QR code here on the app. And you just need to place your phone in front of the Ebo and then hold still for a couple of seconds until the pairing is done. Okay, I think this is it. I guess there's nothing left to do but take this baby for a ride. Ebo, let's go. So one of my favorite things about Ebo is that I can always check in on my daughter. Doesn't matter if I'm in Hong Kong, Paris, or even at my studio in LA. Ebo doesn't require her to answer or accept the call or be close to the Ebo. I can just open the app from wherever I am, and using this remote control function, I can find her in her room,
Good morning,
read her a
Mom.
bedtime story, and even chat with her. Because the new Ebo allows for real-life, two-way communications.
How was school? Look it. I got an award from school. Oh, congratulations.
It's amazing. And that pretty much goes for everyone in my family. My mum has one in our house too, so I can always make sure she's doing well. And if your family is like mine, where everyone is kind of doing their own thing at their own time in different places, Ebo is perfect for you, as it allows access to multiple users so everyone in the family can use it. Another great feature of the new Ebo is that it works as a 24/7 security guard. Because Ebo is so small, it can literally go anywhere in the house, to places that no security camera could ever reach. And with 24-hour video recording, motion detection and notification, and infrared night vision, your entire house is safe at all times. Just like the first generation, the EBO SE is a must if you have pets. Using the Ebo app, you can schedule multiple playtimes throughout the day, so that your cat or dog is never alone, and you can always check in on them, no matter where you are. Ebo is equipped with a built-in full HD camera, so you can take endless photos and videos of your kids and your pets, just tapping on the icons here on the top. Everything is automatically saved inside Ebo's local storage, because Ebo comes with a 16GB SD card, so you don't have to worry about your phone being full or things getting lost in the cloud. Another thing that you don't have to worry about is Ebo running out of battery. When low on power, Ebo automatically finds its way back to the charging dock and gets ready for a brand new day. How cool is that? The new Ebo really feels like an evolution of the first generation. Enabot took all the feedback from users around the world to make the very best version of what the Ebo can be. And it feels like that's what they do. They listen to their customers and improve their products. It really shows their commitment to making our lives better. The EBO SE is worth every penny. Even more, I would say. It's so much more than just a toy for your cat or a cool tech device. It really changes the way families, working parents, children, the elderly, how they all communicate and connect with one another. I think that's the key. Ebo is building strong connections between you and the people that you love. And who doesn't want that? Ebo, your smart family companion. My job takes me around the world to places I've never even dreamed of. But it also takes me away from the one place I love the most. Home. Introducing Ebo by Enabot. Ebo is a smart family companion that allows you to be with the ones you love anytime, anywhere. It's your roam away from home. Rise and shine, sweetie.
Good morning, Mom.
Available in 2 models, Air and SE. Ebo can be connected to your Wi-Fi and controlled remotely with a simple touch of a screen,
Morning, sweetheart.
no matter where you are. How was school?
Look it. I got an award from school.
Oh, congratulations!
She's just like a mother.
With the built-in full HD camera, you can capture every smile. Okay, say cheese! And save every memory using Ebo's local storage. Want to play with your pets when you're away? Ebo makes it fun and easy.
Hey, Aria!
Just connect to the app, find out what your fuzzy one is up to, and have a play session. Compatible with iOS and Android, Ebo is equipped with a microphone and speakers, allowing for real-life interactions. Whoa, that sounds amazing. And you can always reach your elderly loved ones, even when they're away from their phones.
Hey, hi, dear.
Don't overdo it, okay?
And the whole family can use it, as it allows for multiple users to log in. Ebo gives you peace of mind no matter where you are. With its surveillance features, such as 24-hour video recording, motion detection, and night vision, Ebo can monitor your house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Its compact size allows Ebo to explore every corner of your home, discover a brand new perspective, and go places you can't reach. Using advanced TOF technology, Ebo can detect all sorts of obstacles ahead, and when needed, it comes to a full stop. Ebo's tumbler design gets Ebo back up on its wheels in a matter of seconds. That way, Ebo is always ready to roll. But Ebo is much more than just a smart tech device. Ebo Air's electronic pet setting turns your Ebo into a loving friend that always keeps you company. It's a true family companion. And the anti-drop function prevents Ebo Air from falling down from higher surfaces, such as steps, stairs, and furniture, avoiding accidents at all costs. When low on power, Ebo finds its way back to the charging dock and gets ready for a brand new day. From the Enabot family to yours, we're happy to bring love and companionship into your home. Ebo, always together.
In a world where connectivity is paramount, sometimes it's hard to stay connected with the ones we love the most. Connection is not something that just happens. It needs to be built, nurtured, protected, because connection is what brings us together, even when we're not.
Whoa, that sounds amazing.
connection provides comfort, love, and companionship. It makes us feel safe, like we're never alone. It creates memories to be cherished and shared with everyone around us. At Enabot, our team of engineers is constantly creating innovative solutions to connect and protect families across borders. We are a family bot company, and our products are built to make sure you never miss a smile, a laughter, or a special moment around the house. In a world well aware of boundaries, connection is all we need. Enabot, always together.